say, Coach Mark. But let's see whether they'll change that offensive pattern of TNT.
Look at McDaniels. Oh, smashing that one over Raymond Almazan. And you made mention of maybe a change in offense. Sa tingin mo ba din ay dahil 2 points lamang si McDaniels nung first half of game number 3?
Exactly. There has to be a better way for McDaniels.
To seeing Meralco turn the ball over because they were basically the best team in terms of protecting it. But Rosario making Meralco pay. And Coach Norman Black frustrated as he calls for that timeout. Biglang 7 na po ang kalamangan ng TNT as a sweet shooting Troy.
TNT escaped with a win and it was reflected sa kanilang total number of punches as a team na talagang yung ball movement naging maganda nung game number 3. And so I asked KJ, will the case be the same? Will he have the same approach today?
And then they used Eric Gray to anchor the stretch run. When the other teams were going with their female runners, biglang bumulong si Eric Gray and they got the job done. It's the same tactic that both these coaches are thinking because they want their best players on the floor.
Castro sasabay. Amer pumitin.
A rare fast break attack here by Meralco and capitalizing on the turnover against TNT.
Amer on the handoff. Pick and roll. Hodge rolling hard.
That's a big-time shot by Cliff Hodge. And Coach Norman Black, they've been waiting for something like that to happen. Cliff Hodge.
Ray Parks. That shot is a miss there. But Alan Durham cleaning up the miss. And for Meralco naman, they've got Baseramer, Newsom, Bonquinto, Durham, and Hodge gets the start here in the second half. More from TNT from this report from Apple David.
Napapansin na nga ng coaching staff ng TNT Katropa na masyadong tumatagal sa kamay ng isang manlalaro lang yung bola. Halos wala ng execution. One-on-one plays ang nangyayari.
The flow by. Oh, it's so much pressure.
That's a big basket by Alan Durham. Wow, 13 points here in this quarter alone by AD. Hindi nahanap. Oh, look at that basket here. Rather, it's Chris Newsom giving up the foul.
Amer getting screen from AD. He's right there.
Nice ball screen by AD. And Baseramer with 7 points, 5 coming here in the 4th period.
Amer barely played in the 3rd quarter.
Here we go. Here's the shot. Wow, what a shot!
Oh my goodness! He's locked in. Cobra, vitamin C, lakas at protection. Cobra, the #1.